All right, everybody, we're going to make a fun Easter basket and a gift at the same time, including, and it's all going to be candy. So it's all going to be reusable, something that people can take and not have to have an abundance of little baskets all the time. I'm Vicky with the Purple Penguin Craft Room. Let's get started. I've got Reese's eggs. Now, these come in a 6-pack. You can get the 6-pack from pretty much anywhere. I think I got these at Walmart. But we're going to start. This is going to be the start of our basket. Okay. And we're just going to be using tape for this project just because I want to keep everything to where you can still break it apart and use it and eat it and all the things. We don't want to compromise any of the food. All right. So we're going to take 2 Reese's. We're going to tape them together. I'm going to tape on the top and the bottom. So they're together. This is going to be our bottom piece. Now we're going to take 4 more and build the walls to our piece. All right. So we're going to go like so. And basically, we're just going to squish them together and tape them together. All right. We do have some double-sided tape here too, if I need to. Use double-sided tape at any point. Sometimes this does help if you have an extra set of hands helping you. All right, so we've got our walls and our base, but they're not staying together, right? So let's tape them together. So that way, if you pick it up, you're not going to lose it. There we go. Now we can pick it up and you're not going to lose your bottom, right? Perfect. Now, we want to do real quick before I fill in our candy. We're just going to take, this is the only part that's not going to be edible or anything. It's just a bunch of yellow pipe cleaners. And I got it yellow just because I decided to match with the Reese's on here. So that's what we're doing. So I'm just going to kind of twist them together. And this is more for looks than anything. Wouldn't recommend holding it by this. But now, so we've got our basket. How cute is that, right? And it's an edible basket, so people don't have to keep the basket every year. What are you going to do with a basket that everybody gets you every year? Now, we can decorate it from this point. I've got a few things. So instead of, seeing this as your basket, you could definitely take some ribbon, and we could get some ribbon to go around and hide it. Like, totally do that. I kind of like to be able to see what it is a little bit. So on this one, we're not going to do that. I just picked this up this year at the Dollar Tree. I think that's pretty cute. That is pretty cute. So let's do that. And I'll do it, we'll put it right starting on our upside down ones where we had an oops. This will also kind of help hold it together a little bit, actually. So there we go. How cute is that? Now we could put a little ribbon in front here, or we can put one on top here. I'm going to put my stuff inside before we decide on where I want to put my ribbon. So let's hold off on the ribbon for just a second. I got some filler, and this is paper, the paper Easter grass. I actually got mine at Walmart. I got most of this stuff at Walmart. Pretty easy to find. But they also had, see, that was the light green. They have the darker green too. This actually says scented. I'm kind of scared to know what the scent is on that. But so we are just going to put the light green in. This looks like little grass. I love this. I love this paper. It's really cool. Okay, and then I've got little chicks. We can put little chick in here. Cute is this? Put a little chick in our basket here. And we got little bunnies. So we can put a little bunny in our basket. Now we also got little carrots. And so we could stick a little carrot in our basket here. And then we got their traditional little Easter eggs. Their little baby chocolate eggs. And voila, we've got a perfect edible basket with edible goodies inside, and you don't have to decorate it like this if you don't want to. I think I am going to put, we're just going to put a little bow at the top. Okay, now we're finished. How cute is that? A little edible basket with edible things inside. Super cute. You don't have to put edible things inside. You can just do an edible basket, and you can put like little toys or something else, like a little picture frame or some kind of decoration or something inside instead of more candy. Totally up to you. Keep on coming back for some more. The Purple Penguin Crafter. Happy crafting.